I bet you didn't see this coming. Your YouTube views just dropped. Here's why. The 2024 YouTube algorithm update has everyone talking. A whopping 60% of creators have seen their view counts plummet. But what's really changed? First off, watch time and user engagement are now king. That means longer, more interactive videos are favored. So keep those viewers hooked. Next, the algorithm is smarter than ever, aligning content with viewer preferences like a matchmaking genius. To adapt, focus on these top tactics. Optimize for watch time. Engage your audience from start to finish. Encourage engagement. Get those likes, comments, and shares rolling. Leverage analytics. Use data to fine-tune your strategy. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your audience coming back. Quality over quantity. High-quality content beats mass production. Yes, it's a challenge, but with these tips you can turn it into an opportunity. How do you think this will affect your favorite YouTube channels? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit subscribe for more tips.